Hi, I'm Raheli, and this is Living Life Simply. On this channel, I share a variety of simple, nutritious, delicious vegan recipes. I share information on why going vegan is the best choice you can do for yourself, the earth, and the animals, as well as share my zero waste and minimalistic lifestyle. If you're interested to learn about any of these topics, make sure to subscribe to this channel and join the community. There is a new video every Wednesday and Saturday. In today's video, I wanted to share with you a recipe for shepherd's pie. It is a dish that my family has had for ages, and it's one of our favorite dishes. So when my parents and I became vegan, we of course had to veganize it. So this recipe was actually created by my mom, and we still enjoy it so much. So I hope you enjoyed it as well. And without further ado, let's get into the recipe. For this recipe, you will need 15 mushrooms thinly sliced. I use cremani mushrooms, but you can use any kind that you would like. You will also need 1 onion diced, 2 carrots diced, 3 celery sticks sliced, 1 to 2 handful of olives, either that are pre-sliced or that you slice them yourself, 1 cup of pre-cooked lentils, and I have a recipe on how to cook lentils from scratch that I will be linking up here as well as in the description below. And finally, you will need 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of cumin, but of course all the spices can be adjusted to your personal taste. Then it is time to prepare the vegan meat for the shepherd pie, and start off by warming up a pan with a splash of water. Once it's a little bit warm, add in the onions, carrots, celery, and saute for about 5 minutes. Add water as needed in order to deglaze the pan. Once the 5 minutes are up, add in the mushrooms to the pan for another 5 to 7 minutes. And again, you can add more water as needed to deglaze the pan, but make sure to remember that mushrooms do extract liquids, so most likely you won't need to add water to the pan. Once those 5 to 7 minutes are up, add in the cooked lentils, give it a stir, and turn off the heat. Then take half of the veggie and lentil mix from the pan and put it into a blender. Blend it until you get a smooth paste. And then you'll take an empty bowl where you will combine the veggie paste from the blender with the non-blended vegetables and lentil mix, as well as the sliced olive and all of the spices. Mix well until all the flavors are well combined and covered with the paste. Then you will need to take a pan and you can line it with some oil or a baking sheet, but this is optional. And once it's ready, add in the mixture to the bottom of the pan and spread it evenly throughout the pan. And on top of that, you will add a layer of mashed potatoes. I have a simple recipe for mashed potatoes that I just uploaded, so I will be linking it up here as well as down in the description below. And then what I like to do is to take a fork and create squares on top of the mashed potatoes, as you see me do here. Then I sprinkle it with a little bit of almond flour because I think it helps it crisp up on the top, but this is totally optional. And then it is time to pop it in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 40 minutes. And I check it every 15 minutes or so just to see when the mashed potatoes gets crispy on top, and then I know it is ready. So once it is ready, I cut it up and serve it. I hope you enjoy it and give it a try. So if you do, let me know in the comments below how it turns out. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like. If this was your first time here in the Living Life Simply channel, make sure to subscribe down below. and I will see you very soon with a new video. Bye!